you don't have to have a good imagination to write a book. When I first started taking writing seriously, I was a student at a city college in San Francisco. I was taking a creative writing class, and to be honest, in the beginning, I was failing terribly at story writing. I think I was just thinking too hard. Like, I was just over complicating the story writing process. But then, like, the switch flipped for me, maybe towards the middle of the semester. I was in the middle of a traumatic relationship, and I just kind of wanted to tell somebody, but I also wanted to be really creative in writing down the things that I was experiencing. And so I used my life experience in that moment to write a short story and present it to the class. After I read my story, the class was like so quiet. I didn't really understand why everyone was quiet. And afterwards, the professor was like, "That was an amazing story. You need to use your personal experiences to write more books." Although that was like 10 years ago, I will never forget that moment. In fact, I want to say most of the books that I've put out over the last really 5 years have been inspired by my life experience in some way. And another thing is, most authors write this way. Most authors will use, whether it could be their life experience, it could be their own characteristics, their own character traits, or it could even just be their values, their life values. There's so much that goes into writing a book, and sometimes it's more than just your imagination. Sometimes it's a combination of your imagination and your life experience. And so if you're out there and you're just thinking, "Oh my God, I don't have the best imagination," that's okay. Chances are you have gone through something that you can use as the framework and the foundation for writing your book.